start with today's video, and today's video is all about aphorism number 6 from 6th edition of Organ of Medicine. It is one of the foundation aphorism which gives you a very basic idea about related terms. So students try to learn this or memorize it in a little different way, but this aphorism don't need to memorize, we need to understand it for its content. Here is the aphorism. So if you are amazed after reading the aphorism, let me break down for you. Very first, Hahnemann is trying to explain you the first aim of your life, what we call mission of your life, is to cure your patient. We remember this from aphorism number 1. But for curing the patient, what you actually need are the symptoms, right? Because symptoms of the patient should be matched with the symptoms of the remedy, and this is how you will choose the remedy and prescribe the remedy to cure your patient. But here comes the real question, how you will choose the symptoms. Because your patients are having lot of symptoms in him, which many times he even don't understand, which are important and which should be narrated. So this is your job as a physician to observe them, and this is what aphorism is all about. What to observe in your patient to prescribe that perfectly selected remedy to achieve the cure. Now here, it's not only the symptoms which are absolutely visible in front of you, these are those symptoms also which are hidden inside your patient or hidden inside his mind, which you have to understand. So very first, the physician should be unprejudiced for this. Now what do you mean by unprejudiced? Let me take an example like this way. If I will ask you which is your favorite flower, and for example your favorite flower is rose, you will say rose. But does it mean you don't like jasmine? If I'll ask you this question, you'll be like, nah, I like jasmine also. But what happened, one day this happened and roses were very fresh, and then that's why since that time I started liking rose. This is a judgmental example of liking a flower. Correct? So once you start liking it, you will like it because you have some prior experience for that liking, and here you call yourself prejudiced. But while selection of a remedy, your past experiences, your previous experience should not be counted well, because that may lead you to choose a wrong remedy. This is what the meaning of unprejudiced means. Without any prejudices, without any prior opinions or prior things keeping in mind, you should select a remedy fresh every single time. This is what Hahnemann is trying to tell you. He is trying to tell you to be observer. Observe the things in your patient. It's not only the symptom, it's not only the physical signs, it's everything what your patient's body, mind and vital force trying to tell you. Now, very simple, we all know that you can't see vital force, but yes, alteration of vital force is visible, and this is something you are going to observe to achieve that perfect cure. Second point, when you observe things in your patient, you should use all your senses to understand the alteration produced by the vital force. This is your main agenda. This is your main aim, to understand alteration in the vital force, and your senses will understand it in a better way. Third thing, in this aphorism, Hahnemann mentioned the word totality. Totality is again one of the short note or long question in Organ of Medicine. Totality means all the total symptoms and signs which you have observed in your patient, literally sum of it. So this totality is something you want to remove from your patient so that your patient will start feeling better. So this is the aim of your treatment, of towards your cure, that you will search for that entire totality. And the last thing is, when you remove this totality, your patient will be cured. So this is your sole guide, only thing which is guiding you to lead your patient towards cure. This is all aphorism 6 is all about. 1. Being unprejudiced. 2. Being an observer. 3. Observe all the alterations produced by vital force through your senses. 4. Try to construct a totality. And 5. The removal of totality is cure in your patient. That's it for all. Thank you.